Okay, this is an introductory lecture for our Theory of Structure course, and here is the topical outline. So if you look at the topical outline here, you'll be able to see all the weeks. But before we start, let me just explain this course. This course actually is 4 hours in your schedule. So as you can see, we'll have one lecture on Tuesday, and the other is on Friday. Now these are 2 hours, each one of them. But in reality, the first today's lecture is dedicated for the material that is posted on Topical Outline, which is here. So this Topical Outline, you see this is broken down into weeks, and it includes also the breakdown for your marks here also, so the quizzes and assignments and whatnot. That will be covered in the Tuesday class. Now on Friday class, which is from 8 to 10, this is Tuesday class is from 10 to 12. It's 10 to 12. This will be dedicated for the material, and it is as explained or detailed in the topical outline. The Friday class is from 8 to 10. This will be dedicated for final project. And if you look at the breakdown for the marks, the final project is worth 9% or 10% approximately, but this is extremely important part. We'll talk about this in more details on Friday. But this is how this course is. Now the material was developed for this course as a hybrid, but because this course will be delivered online, online regardless. Now the college will be doing virtual until 24th of January, but for this course it is online. So this course will be delivered online regardless. Okay, there will be no on campus. Excuse me. So just keep that in mind. So I will use this template to explain, and those of you who don't know me before, that will be my method or the way of delivering the lectures. Sometimes when I have some sort of commitment like today's, a previously dedicated commitment, I won't be delivering the lecture myself, so it will be recorded like today's. Today's lecture is just introductory, and if you have further questions, I can ask me on Friday. So Friday I'll be delivering it live, but today will be just recorded. Okay? I know you might have some questions. That's fine, but I can answer these questions on Friday. What else? Like I said, the materials are posted already. If you go to the website, you'll see there is recorded lecture. So the lecture, most of them is recorded, and there's document that is associated with the recording. This recording can be found also on YouTube. But the YouTube part is not to to get subscribers or whatnot, but you are welcome to subscribe if you want to. But it is made in case if you will not be able to access this via Slate, then you can go to YouTube, and if you type my full name, you will get the Theory of Structures channel. Because there are three, four channels also. One of them is for statics, structural materials, and Theory of Structures, and there's one for estimating, I guess. Anyway, so the issue here is these recorded lectures are extremely valuable, I think. So I'm not encouraging you not to attend lectures, but it is better for you to attend lectures to ask questions. So that is extremely important. The other issue that I wanted to bring to your attention is that you see there are quizzes and assignments. The quizzes are meant to be before the class. Okay, so it is not that you will do the class and then you will do the quiz. I don't do that. The quiz is meant that you go through the material before you come to attend the lecture, virtual lecture. It is worth 1%. Okay, it will be open throughout the week before the lecture starts, so you can do that anytime you want to. But you need to go through the lecture material, the recorded material, the documents, and you don't need to go very deep into the material to be able to do the quizzes. So the quiz is worth 1. The assignments are worth 4. These are take-home assignments. These are online, so you will be getting your grade online for the quizzes, but assignments will get more detailed feedback on your assignments. Now here I would like to mention something about the major assessment, which is the midterm test, and the midterm test is worth 35%, and the final test is also 30%. These are online. Now, having said online, we'll discuss also in more details. We might need to do this on campus, so it could be written also, but we'll see how it goes, because this online test has been going for 18 runs so far. It was successful, but we'll see how it goes with the college also. But again, it is straightforward for those of you who have done the courses before with me. It'll be the same style, probably. What else? So like I said, this is technically what you will get. And for the project part, I'll talk in more details about the project on Friday. I will give you the software, because we'll be using software. Using Revit, probably are using Revit already, but the structure part of Revit we'll use to model the structure. You probably will need to bring yourself a project of your choice that you have done before, or if you just follow the videos, you can do the project yourself. And then we'll once we are done with the modeling of this project, we'll export this to robot structure analysis. There's another software. It is the same, very similar to Revit, the same vendor. It is Autodesk product, so you can download that. But we'll talk about this on Friday. Other than that, I don't have much to share with you here. Yeah, that's technically what I want to share with you. For today's lecture, there was some sort of an introductory to structures in general, and talk about what the structure this course will look like, and the market breakdown also. So normally people will ask questions, but because this is a pre-recorded lecture, we'll keep the questions for Friday. So that is what I wanted to cover today, and hopefully I'll see you. I probably will come to the campus also to see you from time to time, probably, if we need to. We'll see how it goes. So we'll discuss this in more details on Friday. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.